Hi, my name is Rebecca Olagibel, City of McAllen Retail and Business Development Director. City of McAllen is a vibrant city in deep South Texas. We're located in the Rio Grande Valley. We're a population of about 140, but we have a much larger consumer base. We estimate about 50,000 people come into the City of McAllen every day. So it's a tremendous amount of people that come in to work and go to school and take care of business. We met Buxton through attending a conference, and they were laying out their plan and how they go about the business of retail development. We were really attracted by those ideas and the scientific approach that Buxton takes. Because our retailers like to see data, they like the information. What Buxton does with our retail match list is that they customize pursuit packages for each retailer. Now, with this more scientific approach, we have numbers, demographics, data that backs up why this retailer is a good match for McAllen and why they need to be in our city. There's tremendous growth and there's tremendous potential in the city of McAllen because we want to make McAllen be a more well-rounded and attractive city for consumers and visitors. Buxton is a great company. The folks that work at Buxton have a responsiveness that I have never seen. Their customer service is excellent. I feel that they have the same passion for my city that I have for my city. I think they're a great match for a city that is looking at taking their community to the next level. You know, if you're with Buxton, you're in very good hands. So I would definitely recommend Buxton.